backstitch is a great stitch for outlining. Most of the time, we keep the stitches the same length for a nice, clean effect. We'll start by coming up through our fabric, then back down to complete a straight stitch, which gets our backstitch started. Moving forward, we will come up through the fabric the distance we want to be ahead, then meet the previous stitch so that they share the same hole. Repeat the process until you've completed your line or curve. Tips to consider when using backstitch. When stitching curves, shortening your stitches will help make your curves more gentle. When doing something bigger, more dramatic, and you need a nice, clean, straight line, we tend to break the rule of even stitches.